whole bunch of birds over here. Where are you going? No. Can you say hi? Eva, say hi. Say hi to Daddy. That's the only person you say hi to. Sorry, a lot of the sound in the video is missing. It was really windy outside, so we had to take it out. I literally sat with them like this all day until Emma started crying when the wave brushed up on her too high. I tried to build sand castles with Eva, but the sand I got was too wet and it wouldn't come out of the bucket. And I tried to cover her up and make her a mermaid, but that was a mom fail. We all sat on the lifeguard chair. I'm not really sure if we were supposed to, but we did it anyways. Strapless bikinis are not a good idea with kids. Like, not a good idea. My mom was trying to hold the twins going, walking back from the beach.
And they pulled my top down.
She didn't even know.
And had me splash in the ocean.
It was the funniest thing. And like...
No, it was not funny. It was very embarrassing.
It was funny to me. And so yeah, strapless bikinis are no go with kids. The worst thing about going to the beach is when you're leaving and you realize that you're gonna have a car full of sand, and then when you get home, you're gonna have a house full of sand.
All right, so where do you want to eat at, baby?
Hey baby, did you have fun? No? She's so sassy. Like, she has such an attitude. It's rude. It's really rude. I'm not even having it. I'm really not. Nope. We can't be friends. I'm your mom. This is the road we live on. Ew, I need to wash that. This looks dirty. We live like 10 minutes from the beach. More than gold. Do you guys see these? Like, I've had them since I had the twins. They're so annoying. So when I had the twins, I had what they call pups, like right underneath my breast area. It was like really ugly. It's like a pregnancy rash that you get, and like it's from like your hormones being crazy. And so I haven't really told anyone this, but ever since I was pregnant with the twins, after I had them, I had like normal, like regular, oh, I just had a baby bleeding. And then they were C-section. So nothing confusing. Eva was natural, they were C-section. Ooh, do you guys want a video on my birth stories? Because I have C-section versus natural birth story. Almost 5 months postpartum now. They'll be 5 months on the 6th. Okay, sassy. I haven't had a period. Like, just a regular little schmegular, like, little bit of bleeding. And what are you doing? Kids. But yeah, I haven't had a period since that, and I don't know if I should be worried. I took pregnancy tests, and I'm not pregnant, so no more babies for me. But yeah, it's really weird, and people are like, oh, you know, could be because you're breastfeeding, but like, honestly, after, I haven't been breastfeeding good for like a month and a half because my boobs honestly just kind of stopped. They did the same thing when I had Eva. Like, the first couple months, they're like, oh, full force, and then after that, they're like, wee. And I don't really get anything. I don't know why, because I try so hard. Like, I have pump, and I pump, but it just doesn't like me. Like, it just doesn't like me. But at least I get a little bit, and that's great. But yeah, if anyone has any insight on the no period but not pregnant thing, I mean, I'm not really complaining. As long as ain't no babies growing up in there anymore, because I can't fit anymore. Then I'm not really complaining. Dusting the sand off. It's actually working though. I don't know if you guys have ever tried this, but I literally hate sand all over me. It bothers me, which is a big reason why I barely ever go to the beach, even though I live right beside it. Dinner, we're having just a simple chicken Caesar salad. This is what we call lazy meal. Went to Publix and got a rotisserie chicken and a bag salad. Eva really wasn't having salad. You don't like salad? It's not funny. It's not funny. It's not funny. You funny bunny. You funny bunny. You funny bunny. Yes, we did get her to eat tomato and cucumber. Come on, baby. Did you put the whole thing in your mouth? Eva. Not the whole thing. Yeah. Bite it, baby. That is gross.
Here, I cut her little pieces.
So apparently she really likes Caesar dressing. You like it, Eva? Yep, that's a crouton. You're so smart, baby. You don't like the lettuce? She's just sucking the Caesar dressing off of the lettuce and eating the croutons and the chicken. Hey, stop throwing. This is my floor.
Alright, let's go put that movie on, baby.
So this is my floor. A chicken bone. See, with my shadow right there. Some tomato and lettuce. Jesus Christ, child. Oh, but you're eating the croutons. So you'll eat the croutons. Okay. So my mom watched them while I went to the grocery store and... Eva, what is that? Oh, no, you can't get his dog. No. So my mom watched them while I went to the grocery store and what is on your head? And look at you. Mom, you gave her ice cream?
Yes, baby.
She's going to be so hyper.
She like it.
Yeah, I bet she does.
She like
You
it.
got a wedgie in your butt. She's too happy about this ice cream. You should have seen how she ran to the door.
Yeah.
Yes, literally. It's funny.
Excuse my hair. I went to the grocery store really quick, and yes, I went like this. Mom fed Eva ice cream. She hung out with her Nana today. That's what they call her, Nana. Give the twins a bath, and we're gonna watch movies. So that's gonna be the rest of this vlog, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll be vlogging another day that will include bath time and how bath time goes in this crazy household of mine. What's that, baby? You got something to say? Do you want to say bye? Do you want to say bye? No? No? Okay. Bye.